Hey guys, Katie here. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are out in my living room, so this is going to be a clothing video. I'm finally going to show off the stuff that I have been promising for quite a while now. My stuff that I ordered from Hot Topic and Torrid. Now, I only got one new pair of leggings. Everything else is going to be shirts, so I'm just going to stay in the same pair of leggings and just mostly show off the shirts, but I'm going to show off the leggings and one of the new shirts first, and then just show off all the shirts. And my phone has been messing up. If you couldn't tell from my last video that I had to post two different videos because I couldn't edit them together because KineMaster, I don't know what is going on, but it's given me difficulties, so I'm gonna leave the camera going while I change shirts and just try to change them really fast and get back on screen. So, okay. So first up, this is the first shirt. I don't know, like I know you could see that it says Boogie, but if Beetlejuice will stop walking in front of the camera, sorry. It says Oogie, and then Boogie, and then him right here. And it's got green and white stripes, and then purple, black, and white stripes on the sleeves. And then this is actually like, I don't know how well you can see it with the light being how it is on me right there. And since I'm out in the living room, I can also introduce you guys to the 4 new little baby kitties. This is one of them. I don't know what their sexes are yet. They're about, I think, 4 weeks old now. But this one, you can see right on the nose, he's got a black little dot. So cute. So I'm going to have to watch where I step when I back up because I don't want to run into any of them, but as you can see, this shirt is very short too, which I don't like actually. So I think I'm going to have to start doing layers. And there goes Midnight stepping in front of the camera now. But I don't know, what do you guys think? Does this look okay? With the length from the side, does this look okay? Do I need a layer? Because this is the part that I have a problem with right here on my body, specifically. So, and I will show you the 2 other shirts that I got that are crop style. That is kind of, yeah, different for me. But there's the shirt. And then the leggings that I got are Sally. I think if I back up, they're not really gonna, but it's got Sally on one side, and then her jars, Deadly Nightshade, Frog's Breath, Worm's Wart, and then Fog Juice. And then there's nothing on the back side or anything, but I'll back up as far as I can go. I don't know how much you can make out from there. But there's the whole outfit. Alright, I'm going to change shirts now. I'll go with the shirt I was wearing yesterday in my video. And also with my other clothing videos, you guys know that I just wear my black sports bra. So, but again, very short crop, but see, I know it doesn't look that great either, especially from the back with the sports bra and all, but I really wanted to get this one because it gives me Beetlejuice vibes and all, but very, very short. But this is this one. Sorry, I didn't say I was changing, but I'm changing in to the last crop top one that I got, which this one I've worn in a video too, so you guys have seen it, just not fully. And this one is definitely kind of out of my comfort zone just because of the color of it, but I just like the design and the saying on the front, which is this one. It's because it's pink. I'm not usually a pink wearer, but I like that it says dead inside and the coffin on it. But again, crop top type style, very short. And this one is quite a little bit see-through too. I don't know if you guys can really make that out on camera or not, but definitely need to do, I'm thinking just a black shirt underneath, and then I also usually like to wear something over to make it a, what do you call it? Hold on, I'll be right back. I'll show you what I mean. Where, like I've shown before in some of my other videos, or you guys have seen me wear on camera these types of things. I can't even think of what the hell they're called right now, but still, for the length, at least like in the front, I'd still like to layer it though for the front part. But I don't know, I mean, what is your guys' opinion on these, honestly? You know, does that look okay? Does that look bad? Because I haven't worn short shirts like this in a long time, and there's quite a few more actually on Hot Topic that I want to get. There's a Freddy one, a Halloween one, a Jason one. There's like 3 other Nightmare Before Christmas ones. And yeah, but yeah, so there's this one. All right, showing you the next one. Sorry, keep forgetting to say that. And this one I believe I wore in a video already to my new Beetlejuice one. This one is from Torrid. I don't know if you guys saw the sleeves though. I don't know if I was wearing something else with it or not over it, but Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. And this one is a nice long sweater. And here is the back. It's got a nice little cutout detail. And sorry, I'm not even saying like the sizes or anything. I believe this one is a 2 in Torrid. I'll double check right quick. Hold on. Yes, that was a number 2, or a size 2, I should say. And I absolutely love this one. This is an extra large. This was at Hot Topic. Got a Halloween shirt, another one. But I love the yellow. I just love this. But I don't think I've worn this one yet in a video, so this is a first time show or offer. But a lot of these were on clearance and everything. Sorry for me being a little bit out of breath. I'm trying to move as quickly as I can. So that way this video, where am I at right now? Like 10 minutes, okay. But yeah, this one is an extra large. My Beetlejuice one was a 2X. And then my pink one was a 2X, is a 2 in plus sizes at Hot Topic. And the green one is a 3X in junior sizes. And then the Oogie Boogie one, because I think all of these are still available. The Oogie Boogie one was an extra large in junior sizes. All right, now for the next one. I got another Halloween one. This is also an extra large at Hot Topic. But it says the night he came home, and it actually has Lori in it. The trick is to stay alive, it says right here. But absolutely love this shirt too. So very happy for both of these ones. Sorry, I'm trying to keep the light out so you can actually see the shirt. Maybe I should actually get closer. Sorry. There we go. It's probably better. And yeah, there's nothing on the back or anything. If there's something on the back, I'll turn around. Otherwise, I'm just going to show the front. So there's that one. And then I got this Venom one. This was actually from Five Below. It is an extra large, $5. So, but I should probably show it from the side too so you guys can see that. But this one, these ones are a little bit shorter. They go about right here on me. So, and I think extra large is as high as they carry in the graphic tees for guys. Hi, sweetie. I know, we hear you all. But got this one, and I really love the colors, of course, purple and green. I've kind of been a little bit obsessed with lately. So, that's this one. Psycho, what? Just keep meowing at me. And I know, shame on me for this, but I've only actually seen, I think, the first Star Wars movie. Like, that was made not in, like, chronological order or whatever, but... And I actually fell asleep during it. So, but this one again is an extra large from Five Below, so it's $5. But I like the design, and I do want to watch all of them. Joe gives me hell all the time because I fell asleep during the first one, and I keep telling him, you know, I want to watch them again, I want to watch them again, and anyways, so, but, yeah, I got this one, and this one's a little bit longer than the last one, goes to about right here on me, but, yeah, so there's that one. Okay, now, next one. Calm down, you two. Okay, now we're back to Hot Topic. This one is a large in unisex, guys style, whatever. But I love this. It's got the bubbles. And then Jack kind of, I guess, looks like kind of like a comic book cover. And then Oogie Boogie. But I love this shirt. And this one goes about right here on me. So, because I know also kind of the sizes also depend on the length a little bit too. The babies are having issues with their eyes, so if you see the paper towels and the eye drops and stuff in the background, that's why I've been having to clean out their eyes. But here are two more of the babies. One of them is pure orange stripey, and then one is orange stripey but has the white on his paws. But yeah, see their poor little eyes. I'm trying my best, guys. I promise to keep their eyes clean. I know that looks terrible, but I am doing my best. And then this is the last little one. I call him kind of albino because he's like the others, but he's a lot lighter with the orange and white stripies, and he's got the white paws too. So, but there's all four of the babies. That way you guys will finally see them. But yeah, they're moving around a lot now and playing and everything, climbing and stuff, so they're starting to get ready to start eating on their own and everything. Not quite yet, but they're getting there. Ichabod. Sorry. But yeah, just having some issues with their eyes, which is pretty normal. That usually has happened with almost every set of kittens we've had, so just doing my best to keep their eyes clean. But, okay, let me show you the last two shirts. Excuse me, Lydia. Nope. Come here, you. Come Okay, sorry guys. Another Nightmare Before Christmas. This is also a large, but we just got Jack doing 3 different poses. Oh my goodness, sorry. I am, wow, with all the cats and everything, and yeah, try to keep it warm in the house and everything too. I'm burning up right now, but anyways, got this one. Like I said, this is a large too from Hot Topic. I think all of these shirts were around like $10 to $16 because they were all on clearance and everything. So, but, and then for the last shirt, which I think this is one of my favorites actually. We got Missing Jack Skellington. And then what I love is on the back it has from the beginning opening where all the places that they looked, you know, the pumpkin patch, and I can't even think what else it says right now, honestly. I'm too flabbergasted, but I love that. And yeah, this is also the only shirt that actually has something on the back, which that's kind of a rarity to have something actually on the back. So, but I don't know why this picture on the front kind of makes me, or kind of looks like a cereal box cover. I don't know why. I don't know if that gives any of you guys the same kind of vibe or not. But yeah, I don't know. Or maybe a milk carton type thing, you know, for missing and stuff like that. But yeah, but I just keep, anytime I look at this, I think of, you know, what is it, the vampires, I think you say, I picked through the pumpkin patch or something, and it says, they're like, I did, but he wasn't there. And then the Cyclops eye is another one. Yeah, it says it all on the back. And, yeah, like I said, I'm too flabbergasted to remember exactly, but yeah, it's just that opening scene part after the Halloween Town song. And the other, Jack song that I love. Anyways, but yeah, so this is the last shirt. I have one more shirt, a Beetlejuice shirt. I don't know where it is right now though, so I will show that off in another video. And then I'm hoping I have hot cash from ordering all of this stuff, so I'm hoping at the end of this month I can get some of the other shirts that I was talking about. But we'll see what happens. So, okay guys, well this is all the new stuff that I've gotten recently, so you will be seeing me wear some of these shirts now that I have finally shown them off. Because I kind of wanted to keep them a surprise so I could do this video and show everything off. But yeah, anyways, okay. Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about everything I showed off. And yeah, just okay. Alright, well I will be back soon because like I said, I still do have a lot more movies still to show off. So I will see you guys again soon. Alright, stay safe out there guys and happy hunting. Alright, bye guys.